How to test water at home. If you want to know what is the quality of your tap water in your well or the water you use and drink all the time, if this water is drinkable and how to classify it, you can do it with this device. The link to purchase the device will be in the description of the video. Everyone should have such a device. This device displays the content of soluble particles in water, TDS, and classifies water according to US standards. This is a table of norms for the content of soluble particles in water, TDS. We'll run a test. 1. Purified artesian water, bottled from the store. 2. Water from the city water supply. 3. Water from a well in the city. Another important analysis is the determination of the HP of water. For drinking water, the HP index is from 6 to 9. The easiest way to determine the HP number is with litmus paper. With these things, you will be able to evaluate the water you use or plan to use. All product links will be in the video description.